So let's get started on our homemade linguine. We're going to start with 4 cups of flour. So our 30 minutes is over, and we're going to uncover our dough, and we're going to make it more manageable. So we're going to cut it into 4 pieces. And here we have it. We're all finished with our pasta. This is about 2 pounds of fresh homemade linguine.